Building a Honda Accord SEMA car.
Fixing a crack. Okay, now. Let's see the end of the crack. It's all the way through.
Yeah, it actually goes on to the bead.
I gotta drill a hole right there.
All right, what size?
So it's not a big hole, it's just a small hole. All right, we're gonna drill out this crack. At the end of this crack.
Yeah. You have a center punch? I might walk on you.
Now the rim's definitely no good.
Yep.
Okay, we're on it. See? Now we just headed off the crack, so it can't split. When it's split like this, straight,
yeah,
it could actually crack more.
Yeah.
But being that we did a circle, it can't crack because we stopped the actual crack. Now let's see if we can V-shape it.
Okay. I wouldn't make that any bigger.
No, I'm not making it bigger. See how I'm tapering it?
Yeah.
Because if I don't do that, it won't take. We want it to fill it up.
Stand the rim up when it's easy?
No, I want to lay it down. Oh yeah, with the ground, it helps. Where's that cutter?
Right there.
Get me the cookie grinder. Get me the cookie grinder and real coarse, what do you call it? And fine, and the scrubbing pad one.
Yep.
You know what? I'm gonna build up that edge.
Yeah.
So I can grind it all in one shot.
Like I said, I feel like even if you built it up too much,
Yeah, well I gotta bring it down.
it's not a big deal.
No. It's looking for a crack. The only crack there is that one.
That was pretty good, Dad.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, let me build it up a little bit, and then we'll grind it. We'll grind it and bring it down.
Matt, let me build you a set of taillights.
For what?
Yeah. I'll make you some questions. You got an extra set?
No.
Damn. I would know how to do it. Controlling lights is easier. With the microcontroller, you know what I mean? I think I could build you a set of taillights that could accept your regular input and not flasher, you know what I mean?
I'm going to weld that a little bit better here. No, yeah, see right there?
Yeah.
I didn't build up
Oh, yeah,
on
I
the side.
see. You can
see what I'm saying?
Wait. That?
Fuck.
What's the matter?
Sorry.
Are you okay? Are you alright?
Yeah, my knee is.
Alright, hold up.
I got.
Hold on. Wait a second.
Oh, that hurt.
You alright?
Yeah.
That shit probably went right in between.
Oh, right between my bones.
Right in the middle. You okay?
That's exactly what it did. It went right in my kneecap.
Okay.
Yeah, it's better. I don't think so. Aluminum flows pretty good, so we'll see. That's why I'm gonna have Scott use
Yeah.
see if this will eat it up. Tyler,
Yo.
do I have a file over there?
Maybe.
Tyler, I got headphones over there on top of... Right there, look. Aren't they right there?
I see. Alright. Oh, where would your file be?
On top of where the drill press is.
Okay.
If I have it.
It's gone. Disappeared. There's a flat spot here, but I think it'll be okay.
Yeah, because the seat is right here.
Does that look porous at all?
Hold on.
You gonna polish it basically?
Turn. Now you can turn it to me a little bit. Huh?
Do we have to paint the rim?
Just put a little more there. That's actually on the outside of the bead, though.
Mm-hmm.
This is the bead right here.
You know what we can do is
I'm gonna leave this a little high because I want material out, you know what I mean? I don't want to try to make it perfect because, you know,
all the weights are going to be over here.
no, but I'm saying, yeah, I don't want to make it perfect because I want it to be thick. You know what I mean?
Sure, we should shoot something on this.
Oh yeah, we can paint it. Yeah. I got silver. Okay. Let's hope it worked. Okay. So there's our repair, guys. Woo. They're gonna look good once this seat came out really nice. So, all right, cool.